Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best flagpole is probably one of the most important, yet often overlooked, aspects of displaying your national pride or expressing your personal affiliations. A poorly chosen pole can lead to a tattered flag and a disappointing display, while the right one ensures your flag flies high and looks its best, withstanding various weather conditions and lasting for years to come. This video will guide you through selecting the perfect flagpole for your 3x5 flag. Number 5. American Flagpole Kit. This kit has everything you need for easy flag display. It includes a high-quality flag, pole, bracket, and rotating rings. It's made from durable stainless steel, so it can withstand even the toughest weather. You'll enjoy a long-lasting, beautiful display. The rotating rings prevent tangling, ensuring your flag always flies freely and looks its best. No more frustrating knots. This adjustable bracket offers two mounting positions, horizontal or angled, to customize your display. Show your pride your way. Setup is quick and easy with all the necessary hardware included. You'll be displaying your flag with pride in minutes. What we like. This all-in-one kit includes everything for easy setup. Its heavy-duty stainless steel construction ensures it withstands harsh weather. If you want a worry-free, long-lasting display, this is the perfect choice for you. What people say. Very well made. The poles aren't super thin weak aluminum. They're actually kinda thick, and the paint is evenly applied. The flag hanging hardware is excellent. Have had it up a few weeks now and it hasn't tangled once. The flag itself is also well made, with heavy stitching and vibrant colors. Arrived overnight. Mounted hardware and hung in less than 10 minutes. Love the embroidered starts. Seems very well made and looks beautiful. Good quality, metal, Real stars, easy to set up. Number 4. Black Flag 5-foot pole. This innovative flagpole ensures your flag flies freely without tangling. Its adjustable length and durable design make it perfect for any home or occasion. It features a tangle-free spinning design, allowing your flag to wave beautifully in the breeze without ever wrapping around the pole. Enjoy a crisp, clean display every time. Easily adjusted from 1.3 feet to 5 feet to perfectly accommodate your 2x3 or 3x5 flags. It's designed for versatility and convenience. Made from 1-inch thick rust-proof metal, it's built to withstand the elements. This durable pole will provide years of reliable service. It's ideal for homes, businesses, porches, or garages. Use it to proudly display your flag at any location and for any occasion. Take it with you on your outdoor adventures. It's portable and perfect for displaying your flag wherever you go. What we like. Need a versatile option. This adjustable pole fits various flag sizes and is tangle-free. The rust-proof coating ensures durability. If you need adaptability and longevity, this is for you. What people say. Pole is really great, really sturdy. Easy to put together. Holds flag awesome. Absolutely great flagpole, fully adjustable lengthwise and came with flag attachments that swivel 360 degrees. The flagpole's fairly sturdy and have been in the wind all day and seem to be holding up nicely. It fitted together well, although I did add some plumber's white tape to the threads. We had some very strong and continuous winds. At this point in time, should it be necessary, I would purchase another. The anti-tangle rings worked very well. Number 3. 5-foot heavy-duty stainless steel flagpole kit. This flagpole kit is perfect for showing your pride. It's made of durable stainless steel to withstand any weather. Watch your flag fly freely without tangles. The 360 degrees spinning design ensures a beautiful display. It's built to last. This rust-proof pole is perfect for long-lasting outdoor use. Display your flag with pride on your house, porch, fence, or even a tree. The possibilities are endless. It fits 2x3, 3x5, and 4x6 flags thanks to adjustable grommets. It's adaptable to your needs. Easily adjusted from 1.3 feet to 5 feet, or even longer by adding more poles. Get the perfect height for your display. What we like. This tangle-free pole keeps your flag waving smoothly. Made from durable stainless steel, it's built to last. If you prioritize smooth flag movement and lasting quality, this is ideal. What people say. The hooks are much sturdier and the black color looks great and more expensive than the silver. This is the second one I have purchased, very sturdy, easy to assemble and high quality. Bought this one to replace the wooden 5-footer I was using. The wooden one deteriorated and left my flag dragging the ground. This one is 6 feet, but it comes in a deceptively small and short box. It comes in 1-foot sections that you screw into each other. It has metal carabiners to hold the flag. It fits perfectly into the wall mount that comes with most of the wooden ones you get from the big box hardware stores. It's in a nice black color and I'm pretty pleased with what I received. Number 2. American Flag Kit. This kit has everything you need to proudly display the American flag. It includes a high-quality flag, a durable pole, and a sturdy wall mount bracket. The 3x5-foot flag is made in the USA from a durable blend of polyester and cotton. It features brass grommets for long-lasting strength and vibrant colors. This 6-foot aluminum pole spins freely to prevent tangling, even in windy conditions. It's lightweight yet strong and rust-free. The included bracket is made of rust-free aluminum and easily mounts to any wall. It features an adjustable knob for secure placement and 2 display positions. Choose from white, black, or silver poles, each with a matching ball topper and bracket. The white pole even includes a golden ball topper. We stand behind our products. If you have any issues, contact us for assistance. Buy with confidence. What we like. Show your patriotism with this American-made flag and sturdy aluminum pole. The included wall mount bracket offers convenient installation. If you value quality and a simple setup, this is perfect for you. Number 1. PHITRIC Flag Pole Kit. This versatile flagpole is perfect for displaying your favorite flags with pride. It's easy to assemble and adjust, ensuring a perfect fit for your space. It's designed with multiple sections that can be combined for the perfect height. The rotating rings prevent the flag from tangling, keeping it looking crisp and clean. Made from high-quality stainless steel, it's built to withstand the elements. The weather-resistant finish ensures it will last for years to come, no matter the conditions. It's suitable for various flag sizes and occasions. Use it at home, in the office, or even on the go, the possibilities are endless. Assembly is simple and straightforward, requiring no special tools or expertise. It's also easy to disassemble for convenient storage. We stand behind our product with a 60-day money-back guarantee and a 180-day replacement warranty. Contact us if you have any questions. What we like. This adjustable, rotating pole is perfect for various flag sizes and prevents tangling. The durable stainless steel ensures years of use. If you need a versatile and long-lasting solution, this is for you. What people say. This flagpole is much sturdier than our previous one. Easy to set up and install. We have had several gusty days and they have held up really well against the wind. My flag doesn't get twisted and wrap around the pole like other ones I've used in the past. It was very easy to adjust and should last longer than a wooden pole. The pole is sturdy and attractive. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.